All right. We are so too, and we would like you to join us on another journey through the intimate realms of your imagination. For that is what we are about to explore this evening, your imagination. Recently, we have been asked to provide some help in maneuvering the dynamics of the changes that are occurring in your world. And great changes are occurring and will be occurring more and more frequently as time goes on. And so we would like to talk to you about engaging the power of your imagination. Engaging your imagination in the beginning of a movement. The movement to begin to shift and change your reality from one of competition and comparison, survival of the fittest, to a reality of caring and compassion and connection. Now, we are not going to tell you how that's going to look because that is for you to create. But we are going to show you a way that you can get there. And that is called the power of anticipation. So often you have been taught in your world that your imagination is worthless, that it's a waste of time and it is a waste of energy. And yet, it is primary in the dynamics of reality creation. The dynamic of emotion is the dynamic of creation that so many of you forget about. And so let's just say that you wish to have more success in your life, more love in your life, that you wish to have a better world. Would you just be happy to be in a place where your reality reflected enough? Wouldn't that be an interesting choice? What is it that you wish? Peace? For yourself? For others? What is it that you wish? Use the power of anticipation to create the reality that you wish. So, let us begin with a difficult task. First, we would like to talk to you about peace. We realize it is a big topic, but the first question that we would have to ask you is, what does peace mean to you? Have you ever felt peaceful in your life? Have you ever felt that calmness? Some of you have achieved it in a dynamic of meditation, but that is a passive state. We are talking about a place of active creation. And so, here is how to utilize the power of anticipation. Can you remember a time when you felt peace? Can you use your imagination to remember those times of happiness, those times of peace, those times of safety and security, when all was right with the world and all was right with you, even if it was only for a brief time? Imagination can allow you to do that. Imagination can allow you to resurrect those positive feelings that so many of you forget to resurrect because you spend so much time in the negative. You spend so much time worrying about there not being enough, worrying about you not being enough. So, can you spend a little time imagining what it must be like to feel peaceful, to have created enough, to be enough yourself? Can you feel that within you? For it is that feeling, that emotion, that you wish to amplify. The technique is as follows. In your imagination, create a space approximately 2 feet out in front of your third eye. This space can be as big as a balloon, a basketball, any sort of shape at all. Now, take that emotion that you are feeling and fill that bubble, fill that space, fill that dynamic with that positive emotion, with that emotion of love, with that emotion of anticipation, of peace, with enough for all, that dynamic of peace in the world. Can you do that? Fill that space with that emotion and fill it as much as you can. And when you filled it as much as you think you can, try to squeeze just a little bit more in. Now, can you imagine that your higher self, perhaps your soul, your spirit, an angel, some known guide, is standing behind you? Ask them to take this bubble of energy, this power of anticipation, and to plant it in your not too distant future. Peace begins with enough for all. Can you imagine a world of enough? We are so too. This is our first So Tuesday. Look for us. We'll be here. We love you all so very, very much. And so until the next time we close, sending you peace, sending you happiness, sending you joy.